Little donation, big impact. Ahmed will watch other children every day. Clean clothes, school bags, and one question, why not me?
अम्मा मेरे को स्कूल जाना है।
One day he said, Ammi, I want to go to school too. She had no answer because poverty really does. Still, she took him to school. The principal asked, who asked you for the fees? And then said, just send Emma to school and we will take care of the rest. Just one sentence and one life changed. Today, Ahmed is studying, but thousands of Ahmeds are still waiting. You can be that opportunity, and one child can change an entire generation.